Kurumjari mayam pumna makbu aikoina hojik leijari se Kongpal Khongkham Leikai da leiba Nightingale Nursing Institute NNI dane. Mafam masida GNM habadi General Nursing and Midwifery gi admission open tawjare. Institute asigi campus kam tawbage habadu manung changaga mayam punna yeminarasi.
Welcome to NNI!
Institute asi Indian Nursing Council amadi Manipur Nursing Council na recognize tawraba adugumdaba institute amani. Mayam se sana principal room ne changaga yengminase. Lab ka main tawi habadu mayam punna yengminarase. Sige sina fundamental of nursing lab ne lab sida kai le habadu mayam punna yengminase. Ma'am ne lab sigi matangda kai kitang habiu.
Akhoi sisina fundamental of nursing gi skill lab ni ko. Sida khoi tray setup tawraga thamjabani ahan bagi tray sina khoi oral medication pi bagi tray setting tawraga laijare.
Qualities of nurse hai. Si se nurse amada train gadaba magun singdo ni hai ko. Yingbada am phajaye ugi mong do suye e ko. College sida tamma mahire sina yekchaba ngakane so. Lab sina community health nursing lab ne. Si lab sida kai le hai ba do mong yengminase.
Sigi lab se community health nursing lab ni
Sisina maternal and child health lab ne. Si lab sida kai le hai ba do ma'am dagi khangminarase.
Sida maternal and child health nursing lab ni sida lairibasina akoina MCH lab sigi skill lab ki articles mayam arrange tawraga sida thamjabani.
Sida main oina kuna tamgadoisina PDA na lakadoine bako child health nursing angangi oina main focus pirakadoine ba angang sina pi ingai dagi adolescent age bo lakadoine ko auna developmental milestone kai ka thekle newborn reflex ko laire dagi akoina main oina angang dagi play je maroi ko mogi motor development gi auna play je akoina makhal mathen gi khutsa dagi khong je kamaina singgadagi habaje sigi play station charaga different type of play materials piraga ko age group ki matung ina kamaina akoina identify tawgadage kamaina develop tawi have je identify tawgadoine plus ngasa hai gi badumaina different tray ma'am set tawr thami ko angang da main oina changba adugi procedure ge je akoina student da matam chan chana hospital gi chaptringai da maina demonstration tawi
Sisina girls hostel ne siga hek thangnaraga warden room su leire aduga washroom toilet su attached tawraga leire ko. Mafam jam taru tanana lay yengbada syang well maintained oi nupi macha singna lay bada syang khudong chagani. Sisina moy library ne angang sing lai yam kan na pari yeng minasiko. Sisina nutrition lab ne nursing tamba matamda yamna maruoiba lab amani ko lab sigi matangda mem dagi khangminarse.
Ase nutrition lab ni ko khoina nursing tabu nursing haibas maktubu patient care haibane ba aduna khoina nursing tabu matamda according to the patient condition ge matungina khoina diet plan togane ba so aduna hwaidigi sagi nutrition oiba nutritious oiba patient du ge mai condition ge matungina khoina diet plan tobunina haiba sige lab asida ko student singa loina na condition du ge haibadi health condition ge matungina khoina asina haiba sing se khoina khanghandoine ba so set alai ko haibadi according to the recommended daily allowance ki matungina khoina patient da magi phangdaba nutritious amount du phanghandoine buka health balance diet kai ko kumsing se simyam sina khoina hasai ko chingse
Sisina anatomy and physiology lab ne lab sigi matangda mem dai khangminarse.
Sisi preclinical science lab aina su khangnei bako sida first year gi students sing sina moigi basic knowledge oina hanbada real patient sida paidring ai sida moigi body part structure function singse sida oina hana fazina takpi
I giving na sangai liu kyang mai I khopum de gini housei class 12 loiba sing ichel inau sing lairiba mahairoi science stream art streams commerce loinama nursing ita interest level layer di GNM Nightingale Nursing Institute da lakpiu mayam
I gaming my bamba best kurai sajo Leikai degi Auxiliary Nightingale Nursing Institute asida GNM third year ka duna nursing profession asida mahiroi amoina leiri 12 loiraba mahiroi amasung aigi musiraba imanaba isung imanaba kayana nursing profession asida thawai yobiragadi Nightingale Nursing Institute asida admission to biba yagani
I gaming Carmel Seko I dolangda gine I housing Nightingale Nursing Institute da GNM second year tamdana leiri Nightingale Nursing Institute da leiriba Oza Singh mem ahanbada mem principal vice principal teaching staff non teaching staff makhoina ikoi nursing institute nursing tamba sida yamna cooperation PB adui matakta atopa curriculars activity mayam su tambi duna pangthok pi duna ikoi nursing institute gi leiriba chhatra singbu pungning thaugat pi
Future nursing bu industry ready oina bagida makta compulsory oina institute asida computer knowledge to bichari. Sisina institute asige auditorium hall ne.
Myself, Soibam Rinalini Devi, Vice Principal of Nightingale Nursing Institute. Institute ase sahi kun hena Leidaklaba Institute, Yamna Leaderaba Institute amani sahi kudingi Manipur Nursing Council na lauba exam da institute asidagi su top 10 gi manungda student mayam ama puthoktu na lagli academic session 2026-27 gi oina su admission open haujare GNM tamningba student sing haibadi 12 pass tawraba 12 ta arts science amadi commerce ta 12 pass tawraba student sing na GNM gi course General Nursing and Midwifery hariba 3 years ki course tamba yagani interest oiba students sing na institute asida laaga amadi institute asigi Facebook page Insta page amadi mail gi khutangda laaga admission to biba yagani hujik leiriba health sector sidaita male nurse atuki matik demand oeba aduna nupa masa nursing da yamna interest leijaba professional line sidaita sangbining bakambuna Nightingale Nursing Institute ta laktuna form lobiro enroll tawbiro aduga thabak tawbagi job satisfaction chu oiba line asidaida changbinaba haijari
Institute asige admission amadi registration gi akupa moral khangbining basingna makhada picture ba contact number sida pau phabirak tina akupa moral khangbi bayagani